In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Sodium for Minecraft Java 1.21.6. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to your web browser, and I will have links in the description if you need them. But here, just go to your search bar and search up modwinf. So here enter, and here you'll find modwinf.com. Click on modwinf, and then you'll be on the modwinf homepage. So from there, just go to discover content on the top of the website and then go down to mods. Now you'll find search mods and type in Sodium. Here you'll find Sodium, click the name, and it'll bring you to the Sodium homepage on Modwinf. So from there, just go ahead and select versions, and now go to game versions and choose 1.21.6. Okay, here, just go ahead and find the 1.21.6 version, and it is for Fabric. We'll be using for Fabric in today's tutorial, and just click the green download button once everything is checked out. Okay, so from there, what you want to do is go to a new tab, and you want to go ahead and search up for Fabric Minecraft, like so. Here enter, and now you'll find fabricmc.net. Just click on Fabric, and then you'll be on the Fabric homepage. So from there, just click the download button, and now click the download for Windows button. And now you should have Fabric as well, so Fabric installer and Sodium. So now you can go ahead and minimize or close your web browser. I'll just close it, and now you can continue to your file explorer and go to your downloads folder. From there, all you need to do is double click the Fabric installer, and now make sure the Minecraft version is 1.21.6 right here. You can select stuff, just 1.21.6, and click install. Okay, and close. And now all you want to do is go to your Minecraft launcher, and with the Minecraft launcher you'll be able to add Sodium to the mods folder. So to do this, basically just wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you'll see Fabric loader here. So what you want to do is go to installations here on the top of the launcher, then go ahead and hover over Fabric loader and go to the folder icon. Now you'll be on this page here. So just go ahead and find mods and double click the folder. Once you're in mods, just go to downloads, select Sodium and copy it, then go to the top left arrow to go back to your PS folder and click paste. And now you copy pasted Sodium in .minecraft mods. So from there, just go ahead and go to the Minecraft launcher. Now just go to play, make sure Fabric is selected and click play. And now you have to wait for Minecraft to open up automatically. Okay, so once we have Minecraft here, you can go to a single player world, a server, or a realm. I'll just go to a single player world here, and you can go ahead and start using Sodium. Okay, so once we're here, all you want to do is simply do F3 here, and you'll notice that we are using Sodium here, Sodium renderer. And basically, if we go to our options here, video settings, we'll have the Sodium features here as well. So yeah, there you go. That is how we download and install Sodium for Minecraft Java 1.21.6. So if you like today's video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!